Hello there, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm up with another beautiful recipe, which is banana cake. So fluffy, delicious, and it tasted so good, and I mean you're going to love it here. So if you want to know how I made this delicious and fluffy banana cake, then watch this video to the end. In my mixing bowl, I began by peeling 2 large bananas, and then I am going to get my potato masher and I will mash the banana with it until it is smooth. Not too smooth, but smooth. If you don't have potato masher, you can use a fork or a spoon. Then mash it until it is smooth. Once it is smooth, then you get the ones that are stuck out and add in your brown sugar, the white sugar, and you will stir on that until it mixes together beautifully. And then you will go in with your melted butter, and then you are going to go in with cinnamon powder and then mix again until it comes together just beautifully and smooth, and there's not any lumps on it again. Then you will go in with your milk and then stir again until it comes together beautifully. It's a process, but you have to follow it so that you get the good result. Once it is mixed together, I will then add in my flour, baking soda, and baking powder, then a pinch of salt, and I will sift on that until I am done. That is to help the flour to fluff up. So sifting your flour is very important. Then I will stir until I get this batter not too loose and not too thick. Okay, don't make it too loose and don't make it too thick. Once I'm satisfied with the consistency, I will scrape the side of the bowl so that we're not having a messy bowl. Then I will set that aside and begin to butter my baking bowl. So one thing you want to do is you can actually just butter it without adding the baking sheet, but it is helpful to also add the baking sheet. Welcome to my channel, everyone. My returning subscribers, God bless you, and for my new subscribers, you're highly welcome, and we are so glad to have you here, and we can't wait to see your interaction in the comment. Thank you so much for stopping by. So once I have added my batter, I begin to shake it, as you're seeing. That is to help everything to be on the same level. So I will heat it a little bit on the work surface and then put it in the oven. Let it bake for 40 to 45 minutes, and you should have this beautiful golden brown cake after 45 minutes. Guys, look at this. Very crunchy on the outside and very moist on the inside. Now you cover it and let it cool down for about 20 minutes, okay, because you don't want it to be piping hot. It will not come out too well. Then look at how well this is baked. I mean, it looks so good. So it's time for us to slice the cake and see what is inside. Okay, look at that. Just look at how fluffy this is looking already. I mean, I was super happy with this. My kid loved it and they couldn't wait for me to finish filming so that they will enjoy. Brush it up with some butter and you should have this shiny, delicious goodness. Guys, look at that. Just a closer view. I have to give you a good view of this, okay? Look at that, very fluffy. You can see those bananas giving you that amazing design here, and the golden brown, the shiny butters and the oils on the top. They look so good. And here what we do is that we open this cake, but before then, please remember to turn on your notification bell, subscribe if you haven't, and share this video with your loved one. Let us keep growing, okay? And guys, I'm going to get one slice of it and show you how fluffy this was. So when you press it together, it still came back. Do you see that? It still came back up. Look at how golden brown that look. Can you see the bananas giving it that beautiful look? When you press it down, it came back up. open it up, and then you have all this yummy goodness inside. It was so good. When I mean it was so good, the cinnamon powder added a lovely flavor to it, and the vanilla as well. I mean, it was so good. So guys, we have come to the end of our today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please remember to like, share, comment, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.